Another day, another quiz. They will be going over Java iterators, so that's what I'm going to be going over. So what is the purpose of iterator in Java? Transverse a collection one element at a time. Which method of iterator moves the last element returned by next? So to move. Yep, the remove method removes the last accessed element during iteration. Which type of Java collection supports list iterator? List. List iterator is only available for list types like array list, linked list, and supports bi-directional transversal. How can you safely modify a collection while iterating it? Using iterator remove. The only safe way to modify a collection while iterating is by using iterator remove. Which method of the iterator interface removes the last elements returned by the iterator? Remove. Wait, it remove again? Wait, what? Hold on. Oh, okay. Okay. What happens if you modify a collection directly while iterating over it using a normal iterator? There's concurrent modification exception. Modifying a collection directly while iterating with a normal iterator causes a failed fast behavior resulting in concurrent modification exemption. Which iteration type allows iteration in both directions in Java? List iterator. Oh, yes. This iterator allows transversal both forward and backward, unlike iterator and enumeration. So you got that. That's what you have, man. So yes, that's what you have, man. Hundreds. So yeah, this is my score there. So question accuracy is 100%. So yeah, thank you very much. Take care and have a nice day. Catch you in the next one.